There is nowhere in samsara which is beyond suffering. All sentient beings, without exception, even the tiniest insect, want only to be happy. Yet all they do is perpetuate their own suffering. The reason for this is that they do not recognize negative actions as the cause of suffering and positive actions as the cause of happiness. Animals, out of a desire to be comfortable and contented, kill other animals for food. By doing this, they create further suffering, both for themselves and for the other animals. A madman who sticks a knife into his body or who runs around naked in winter is basically someone who wants to be happy. But unwittingly, he does all sorts of things that bring him suffering. In this way, sentient beings cause their own suffering by failing to recognize that the only way to achieve happiness is to increase their positive actions and to give up all their negative ones. When we reflect on this, we will begin to feel an intense compassion for all beings caught in delusion.